Earning interest on your cash reserves through a business bank account is one of the easiest ways to make your idle working capital work for your business without taking on additional risk. If you use NorthOne for your business banking, you can earn a competitive annual percentage yield on your balance depending on the account tier you choose. NorthOne offers different business checking plans, such as the Standard Plan and the Plus Plan, both of which provide opportunities to earn interest. To qualify for and maximize this yield, specific account requirements must be met. First, your account balance must remain above zero. Keeping a positive balance ensures that your account stays active and eligible for daily interest calculations. Second, you must meet the monthly debit card spend requirements. NorthOne ties its yield qualifications to active business usage, requiring a minimum monthly spend using your NorthOne MasterCard Small Business Debit Card. Meeting this threshold unlocks the high-yield status for your deposits. The exact annual percentage yield varies based on your chosen plan. The Standard Plan offers an APY of up to 2.5%, while the Plus Plan offers an APY of up to 3% on eligible balances up to $250,000. If your balance exceeds $250,000, a tiered rate structure applies to the portion above that threshold. To get started, evaluate your monthly transaction volume and card usage to see which tier fits your business model. Select a plan that aligns with your operational spending, maintain the minimum activity criteria, and watch your business deposits generate passive returns over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.